Hey there, this video is about a new project where I am developing already developed a dynamic landing page. So here is the requirement. So the client wants something like this. So this is the design. Basically they want everything dynamic. So these titles, the form will be dynamic, the image and everything here you see will be dynamic. And there is a condition basically why the client is going to use this template as a lead magnet. So suppose they have multiple courses, IELTS, PT, OET. So for different resources, for different type of resources they have different PDFs. So for IELTS speaking, if someone sign up, fill out the form, then he's going to see the IELTS speaking guideline PDF file in the thank you page. If this is a different course, then the PDF file will be different. So that's the thank you page is going to be dynamic. So let me show you how it's done. So first of all, I have created a custom post type. The post type has this is the post type name is landing page, and I have the title, subtitle, hero image, and there is a repeater FAQ. In that repeater, or in for every FAQ we need a title and description. And then there's testimonial. This is also a repeater. So here's the testimonial. For every testimonial we need a text area, the name and the designation of the person who is giving the testimonial to the company. And then you can see the key points. This is the feature. You can say that what they are going to get. This is the key points. This is also a repeater. And the final, oh, there is another FAQ you can see. So I will explain that a bit later. Let me show you then how I displayed it in the front end. So this is a gravity form. In the gravity form I just put two things, a name and email address. So I'll move to the thank you page later. This is some static logo. This is the first repeater. We have the repeater for the key points. So I displayed it here using a listing grid. So now let's move to the listing grid. You can see in the listing grid I have only one widget, dynamic field. In the dynamic field I selected repeater field, and this is the item name. So let me show you, this is not the repeater name, this is the item name in the back end. Let me show you. For the key points, here's the key points. You see that this is the name of the item, so we need to put there in the repeater, sorry. And the icon is set from here. That's it. So nothing changed. So rest of the things are normal. Here in the repeater field I have mentioned that okay, for which repeater this will work. So the repeater name is key point, and inside the key point repeater we have all the items. I believe you get the point. So now we have done this. So this is the key points, repeater on column. There's no custom query. So that's it. So this is displayed using a repeater. There is another way to display this. So that is using the dynamic repeater directly. But I didn't like to display the key points that way. Then this is a static. Now the testimonial. This is also a repeater, and we use a query for this. Let me show you how. So for the query, the first of all, let me show you the repeater query. for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial repeater query. So everything is fine. The query should be the repeater query, and source JetEngine meta field, and this is the JetEngine field is this testimonial. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. So the query is done. Now you need to drag the testimonial widget. This is from CrocoBlock, and just keep one item here instead of multiple, and just map the from the current object field, select the correct meta field. That's it. The name position the same way. So this is for the testimonial. Now come to the FAQ. So initially, so you see that this is two FAQ. I'm explaining that. For the first type of the FAQ, my client is going to input every time. I mean, you can see in the here every time client need to enter the title and the description, the FAQ description every time when they create a landing page. Later we change it to something else for better management. So first just let me show you that how the first FAQ thing, the first FAQ I have displayed in the front end. For the first FAQ, I just created another query for the FAQ, and just map the meta fields, FAQ title and FAQ description. Let me show you the FAQ query. Move to the FAQ. So this is the FAQ repeater query, and the same way this is a repeater query that is in meta field, and I have selected the JetEngine meta field name. That's it. And I am using here the classic accordion. So using classic accordion, it's possible. But this way, when my client is going to add a new landing page, every time he need to type the FAQ. So this is not a good way to manage the FAQ. Then what I did, I have created another custom post type. The post type name is FAQ, where all the FAQ will be listed. So let's see, here the post type FAQ. So this way the client don't need to write the FAQ every time. So for IELTS speaking, if he want to put all the IELTS speaking FAQ in different landing pages, maybe the contact number, what is the contact official contact number. So this FAQ can be applied to all the courses, right? So that's why this is very easy to manage for clients. So if he can just add the FAQ here and tag the FAQ to any landing page. So let me show you how. So this is the FAQ post. Now when my client will going to add a new landing page, so then what he will do, he will just where it is, I need to organize this. Okay, so he just search the FAQ. Suppose this is a landing page for OET. Let me see that is there anything related to OET. Okay, there's nothing. For example, I am going to, okay, this is for PT, for example. So I just can search and add the FAQ, hit publish, that's it. So now it's time to display the FAQ in the front end. For that, okay, so there is no listing. Just I have again I used classic accordion. I have created another query. Let me show you the query. So this query is for this query is for the FAQ post, and this is a post query. We need to grab the post from the FAQ post type. This is a post query, and here is one point. So we need to grab only those FAQs related to or attached to a specific landing page. Suppose I am creating a landing page. That landing page has 3 FAQs and all related to that landing page. Suppose the landing page is for IELTS exam, so the FAQs will be for the IELTS exam. I don't want to grab all the FAQs I have listed in the FAQ custom post type. So for that we need to search here using current meta field, and this is the meta field name or slack, you can say. Here you can see that this is the name of the meta field. So this way I am grabbing the FAQs only added to this landing page. So we are using JetEngine query. This is a FAQ post query. The same way, current object field, and search it and just tag it properly. That's it. Now the only thing left is the condition for the gravity form. So we need to show the right PDF file. For the PDF file, there is another custom post type. So I have course PDF. And in the course PDF, this is the place where all the courses guideline or anything that my client want to show the visitors, or these files will be downloadable for any course. So for this one I have uploaded. Okay, so this is the custom post type. We have just 2 fields, post title and the media field, so where the files will be uploaded. And the next thing is, in this custom post CPT, there is a relation. You can see the relation is, this relation will help us connect the PDF with the right course. So let me show you the relation first. So I need to go to JetEngine and then relation. Okay, you can see that in the landing page and course PDF has a relation. What is the relation? So every landing page will have only one PDF attached with it. So landing page will be the parent object and child object will be the course, and the relation will be 1-to-1, because for the IELTS speaking there will be one PDF, for the IELTS or OET course there will be another PDF. Even the IELTS speaking course can have different PDFs. So for that we can add in the course PDF CPT, we can add something like that. The post 1 IELTS speaking guide 1, IELTS speaking guide 2. So every course or every landing page this way will have only one PDF available. So this is the relation we have. So for this way, when you are going to add a landing page from the backend, let me go there. Suppose IELTS speaking, for this course, testimonial, key points. Okay, at the bottom you will see a relation. So you need to just connect the course PDF with this landing page. So for this is the IELTS speaking, and I have added the IELTS speaking PDF here. Now it's time to use the relation, right? We have a thank you page. Let me first move to the gravity form. Here's the form. pace. You can see here the gravity form. In this form, we just need to pass the landing page ID. So we are creating a landing page. So the landing page should have, every landing page or every page in WordPress have an ID to identify it. So I have put a hidden field, and the field name is landing page ID. Here you can see the CSS here. This is how we do that, and I have put a parameter LPID, landing page ID. So this way, when someone fill out this form, and in the thank you page, it will carry that ID, carry the ID of the landing page. Now what do we need to do? So we have the landing page ID, and we need to display in the thank you page uh, the connected PDF file with that specific landing page. Let me explain again. So suppose we have this landing page, and this landing page in the backend have, this landing page is connected to a specific course PDF. So what we need to do, we need to show the exact course PDF connected to this landing page, right? Let me show you how I do it. Now I need to move to the thank you page. Let's move. You can see here is the thank you page. Okay, so this is our thank you page. In this thank you page, you will see another listing grid. This listing grid will work for the grabbing the right PDF. Okay, so we need to move to the listing grid first. You see that course PDF list. So I am continuously moving one point to another. So everything is actually related for achieve the outcome. Now we are in the thank you page, and in the thank you page we have a listing grid. So in the listing grid, the heading is fixed thank you, download your resource. The main point is the file. You see that we have custom field from the uh, course PDF. From the we need the PDF file. From which custom post type? The course PDF post type. Basically, the course PDF custom post type has the PDF file, right? So we need to grab the link from there. Okay, that's fine. This is it for the listing grid. Now the complexity is we need to grab the course PDF URL from the course PDF custom post type. Actually, the we need to figure out that which file is attached with the landing page. Let me move to the landing page again. For that reason, we need another query. So let me move over to the query builder. So this is we need the related file actually. So this is the related file. This is a post query, and in the post query, what we need in the post query, we need the related items. So this is from the relation, right? From the relation, so related items from landing page and course PDF relation. So we have one relation. Every landing page will have a course PDF, and the course PDF will come from the child object. So here the parent object is the landing page, and the child object is the course. So we need to grab the object, grab the file from the child object, and the query variable. So the query variable is landing page ID. So can you remember that we in gravity form we have the landing page ID. So we are looking for the file in the child object, I mean in the course PDF custom post type, and uh, so the file is in the child object, I mean the file is in the course PDF file is located there, and the file need to be grabbed for the landing page ID. So we have the landing page, for example um, IELTS free speaking guide. So the landing page ID is 123. So we need to find out that the file connected with this landing page for the 123 or the IELTS speaking landing page. So this way we will grab this. Now we will move to the thank you page. Where it is? This is the thank you page. We have the listing grid, course PDF list, and uh, it will come from this custom query, and we have selected the related file query here. This way, if you select IELTS speaking, let me show you. Arif hello at gmail.com submit. So IELTS speaking, in the thank you page, you see that we have the landing page ID, and this landing page is connected with the file IELTS speaking guide. So you can see here, here you go. This is all. This is how I created it, and this is how it works. Thank you.